In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage suppressions in Mailgun. Bounces, unsubscribes, complaints. Before we jump into the dashboard, let's quickly cover what suppressions are and why they matter. Mailgun automatically blocks sending to certain addresses to protect your sender reputation and improve deliverability. There are three main types you'll work with. Bounces are addresses Mailgun can't deliver to, often because the address is invalid or the mailbox doesn't exist. Unsubscribes are people who clicked an unsubscribe link and must not receive further messages from you. Complaints are recipients who marked a message as spam. By default, Mailgun stops all future sends to them to keep your domain healthy and compliant. Now let's navigate to where you manage this. Log into your Mailgun dashboard. From the left navigation, go to Sending, then choose Domains, and select the domain you want to work with. It's important to pick the correct domain if you operate multiple brands or environments, since suppressions are managed per domain. Once you're on the domains page, click Suppressions. This is your central place for viewing and managing the addresses Mailgun has blocked from receiving emails for that domain. Inside Suppressions, choose the tab that matches what you need. The Bounces tab shows addresses that failed delivery. Reviewing this helps you understand whether issues are temporary or permanent, and prevents you from repeatedly sending to invalid mailboxes. The Unsubscribes tab lists people who opted out. Treat this as a compliance record. It confirms you're honoring preferences and privacy requirements. The Complaints tab contains recipients who marked your email as spam. This is a crucial signal. Continuing to send to these addresses can harm your reputation, so it's best practice to let these remain suppressed. You'll also see an Allow Lists or Whitelist tab, sometimes called Safe Senders. This is for addresses that should bypass suppression checks in very limited, controlled cases, such as internal testing addresses you manage. Use this sparingly and only when you're confident the address is valid and expects your mail. Avoid overriding unsubscribes or complaints without clear, documented permission. As you review each tab, pay attention to the reason and timing associated with entries. Understanding why an address is suppressed helps you diagnose list quality issues, refine sign-up flows, and reduce future bounces and complaints. Keeping these lists tidy protects your domain, saves sending volume, and ensures messages reach engaged, consenting recipients. That's it for managing suppressions in Mailgun. By knowing where to look and what each category means, you'll keep your sending reputation strong and your audience respected.